Okay. Hang on. Hang on. Hang on. Hang on. Okay. Okay. So, go ahead and drown. Go ahead and drown yourself. I just had to just I love how Bert just goes out. I'm sacrificing myself. I'm sacrificing myself. So then you guys should plop in. Okay. All right. So we don't need the boat anymore. Now we're going to do the raft. All right. Kathy, go jump on the raft. Drown thyself. I volunteer as tribute. I'm going to hold this. Let's hold the boat. All right. Is everybody on the boat? Okay. 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 I'm going to try and... Okay, wrong way. Does that get us some wind? Okay, are you gonna steer us, Bert? You're officially a cult leader. Look at us zippity zap. Okay. I'm getting off now. Oh, what? There's like a speedboat here? You guys. Guys. Stretch my arm. Yoga. Wait, where are we going with this? I have the feeling we're all pushing against each other. Why are these here? Oh, this is how we get the boat into the water. I bet you. Wait a minute. We have to roll the boat. The boat doesn't go in the water. I think we have to pull the boat up over here to jump on top of the boat to get over these walls. So if we do... Hang on. Okay, look at... Okay, now we should be able to pull it over that log, right? Just gonna hold it up with your chin there, Bert? Do we have to get that more underneath there? Maybe we have to get that log brute strength. The chin is strong in this one. Am I doing it? Am I doing it? Okay, there has to be a way to pull, because there's another log here. Okay, wait. Let's get these two logs. Okay, that's a good idea. Let's both lift on this end. That's a good idea. That's a good idea. Okay, let's lift and push. Push. Oh, okay, I can't push. Okay, let me push. We can do this. Okay. So, I'm thinking... I mean, where's the third when you need them? Okay, what does this do? Can we start this thing? Go this way? Is this a push-pull type thing where it's like, okay, can we start this thing? No, we cannot start it. Okay, that didn't work. That boat's like, yep, nope, not going to happen. So there has to be a way. Can we get up over here? No. Okay, there's got to be a way how to do this. It isn't just a piece of scenery. Yeah, it's got, and they had the two things to roll it up on. Okay, I want to figure something out. Okay, hang on. Hang on. Can we? Okay, Burnt, I have an idea. What are those? Oh, those are buoys. Okay, evidently I'm playing hopscotch over here. I have an idea. Okay, Burnt, here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to lift the boat up. Can you get those things underneath there? Do you think we can pull the boat over the top? Do you think we can push the boat, or do you want me to try and get the other one underneath there? Okay. All right. Jump. Okay, wait. Let me do it down the other side. Hang on. Let me get on the other side, and that way my bum isn't in the way. Okay. Let me lift from this side. I can't lift up any higher than that, I don't think. You might have to put it like right behind the other log. Every time you say Burnt, it sounds like Bert, and my niece and nephew used to call me Auntie Bert. Oh, I love that. Well, you figured it all out. We got it. We got it. Yeah, see if you can get it right behind the other one. The app proposed the mustache. I have to admit, I feel justified. You should. I mean, I talk about your mustache all the time. Okay. Oh, okay. Wait, let me try lifting it here. All right, let me try lifting it here. Hang on. I think, wait a minute, didn't we discover that we could, oh, wait, sorry about that. Nope. That we could duck. Okay, now can you get it underneath there? We'll get the one closest to it. Well, I have an affinity for mustaches. Derek's had a mustache as long as I've known him. I mean, even when I met him, he had a mustache. I have no idea what you're trying to do. So that's not it. Okay. Oh, wait. Can we do this? There. Use it. Oh, I'm walking. Okay. Oh, okay. 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 Let's see if we can get in the back and push it. I think we have to lift up. And I'm getting stuck. Wait. Can we lift up? Can we lift up and walk forwards? I am confused. No keys in the boat, but you can move the rudder. Oh, we lost our logs underneath here. Okay. Okay. What if these have to go like this? Lift from the back and walk back. Okay. If you If you cut us... Okay, walking back. I'm pulling. I'm pulling. I just watched her arms go up and she just like disappeared. Disappeared under the water. Pull. 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 Are we pulling? I don't think we're pulling. Put on the logs and put the engine back on. Where do we put the logs? That's what we can't figure out. Wait, let me get on the other side. You know, there's people watching this right now. They're probably going, I cannot believe they cannot figure this out. Okay. So, can we... Wait. We need to push it into the water. Are we doing it? We're just pushing it more up on the sand. Okay, hang on. Let me push from this side. Oh, I'm just going to hang on. Okay, Kath, take the rudder. Take the rudder and take us over to the other side. I'm going to die. Espy's here. No, not back up on the beach. Not back up on the beach. Okay, hang on. Wait, stay there. Stay there. You guys stay there. Okay, hang on. I'm gonna muscle you out into the water. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it. 3-hour cruise. A 3-hour cruise. The tiny ship was tossed. If not for the courage of the fearless crew, the minnow would be lost. Okay, let me get one of these. Oh no, we still have both for our stick. The ship's aground on the shore of this uncharted desert isle with Gilligan. Okay. Okay. Come on. Come on. There we go. There we go. Okay. Okay. Belle has contributed 8,500 points. Okay. I'm just going to have to hang on. Oh, come on. Get it in the water. Get it in the water. 26%. Okay, we're going more out in the water. We can do this. Belle, if I take my hands off the controller, I don't know what's going to happen. Push. Save me, Bert Buckskin! Save me! Save me! Okay, be careful with the rudder. I hope Kath isn't AFK because we're all gonna drown. So here we are. Come on, Bert Buckskin, you're in a puppy dog outfit. You should have webbed feet. Start paddling. Kathy, are you there? Okay, I'm gonna spin us around this way. You might get somewhere. No! I'm not gonna let go of you. I'm not letting go of you. I'm not letting go of you. Oh. Flop. Okay, Kathy, if you could take the boat over to the next section, we could do this. I have an idea. I'm gonna see if this is gonna work. You've got control of the helm. You're adrift out there on the other end. Am I under an ice cap or something? Wait a minute. Wait, where did Kath go? Oh, good idea. Burnt. Hang on. Okay. Okay. Did that give you any wind? Did that give you any of a breeze? Oh, wait, we got to go this way, don't we? We want to go that direction. Nope. I don't understand sailing. I was never a sailor person. Okay, now we're on a wall. Okay. That should turn us towards the left. Shoulda, woulda, coulda. Okay. Okay, that'll do it. Come on, I gotta get it far left. No! No! Okay. Okay. Nope, I'm still going the wrong direction. I'm towards the red buoys on the right. Wait for us there. Okay, the sail is... Okay, can I get us if I get it going? We gotta get off. I think we're on a sand berm. Okay, hang on. All right, hang on. I'm gonna get you over there. Okay. I'm gonna get you over there. I have to let go of this one and pull up. Okay. 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 You want to take the rudder? Okay, I'll take the sail. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. I'm going to get us some wind. Okay. I'm going to get us some wind. We're just going to go sail over here. Okay, hang on. I'm going to push us back in. We're going to get this. This is the hardest level so far yet. Wait a minute. Okay, that doesn't work over there. Okay. Okay, what happens if we just turn the rudder without touching the sails? I'll get out of your way. Better, 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 better. Yes, yes, yes. Okay. Lordy! Lordy, how are you doing today? Heart your face. Thank you so much for the raid. Raiders, welcome on in. I am Kanara. I'm a food and drink streamer on Sundays and Wednesdays. On Fridays, we're here playing games, and today we're playing Fall Guys, and we are not doing very well. We can't figure out how to operate the boat. Okay, it's not that way. I am going to get this. What were you streaming over there? What were you creating? Oh, wait. Wrong way. Wrong way. No. 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 Okay. Wait. Get this over this way. Get this over. Did we get a shout out for Lordy? Did we get a shout out over there? Welcome on in, Rito. Lovely to see you. Lenina, is that, am I pronouncing your name right? Welcome on in. We were sewing today, working on a top and padding from a dress form. So, Lordy, some of the streams that I have watched where you've been sewing have given me inspiration. And I did put a basic sewing machine in my wish list, my private wish list. I just put it in my private wish list that I made. I may get for like Christmas for myself, or have Derek get it for me, or something like that. And I want to make like the cozy like bowl holders. I thought if I start off with something little like that, but one of the things I'm infatuated with is I live out here rural and people get feed bags. I want to try and make those feed bags. I thought those look so awesome. Bob, how are you doing today? Happy Friday. Okay.
They see me rolling, they hating, patrolling and trying to catch me riding dirty, trying to catch me riding dirty, trying to catch me riding dirty.
Wait, this is Robbie's account. Wait. Okay, we have got to figure out how does a boat move. If I do this, that turns. Okay. Okay, I'm going to try and turn us all the way around. I just drove the boat off the edge of the earth. Oh, wait, did the boat reset over at the thing? Oh, you guys, the boat reset over there. Okay. Should we try the boat one more time? I'm trying to get the accidentally smart. You never know. Why can't I not pick up the sail? Okay, that was not good. Okay, that was not good. Where's the sail at? Okay. This